We're recording? Yeah, we're recording, cool. Okay, scatterplot. Determining the equation for the best line of best fit. We've got data, we've got a scatterplot. Okay, today we're not going to be drawing any scatterplots. In the same time we've already got it. First off, find the mean of x and y. Okay, you could, in a pinch, add all of these numbers together, do the average, okay, divide by how many there are, and that will give you the mean of x. Add them all together, divide by how many there are, that will give you the mean of y. Fortunately, your calculator does it for you. So go to your calculator, okay, and you go calc, okay, then go 2 bar, it will give you x mean, okay, let's see if I can do that, and it will give you y mean. So x mean was 58.1, we'll write that in, okay, and y mean equals 59.6. Once you've got the mean point for x and y, then you have to plot it. Okay? So we're going to go and plot this point, 58.1, which is up there. Okay? And 59.6, which is going to be right about there. That was pretty good. Okay? Once you've got that, then you draw a line of best fit through that point, and you want half of the data to be on one side of the line, and the other half of the data to be on the other side of the line. Okay? That's not left side and right side, it's just half above the line, half below the line. Okay? As best as you can. I know sometimes it's pretty difficult. Okay? I'm going to try and do this, is a bit the hardest part. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So do that, and then moving slightly down. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4. No? That's the. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And points that are on the line count as below the line. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Okay? You would say that that best fits the data? Yeah. Yep. Cool. Okay? We've done that. Now, third thing, pick 2 points that are close to the line, the closest points. Now for here, we've got some pretty good things to pick from, don't we? Okay, first off, we're going to pick the one that's actually on the line, this one. And which, now, here's the trick. Okay, if you've got 2 points really close together, your line's going to be sort of fuzzy. But if you have 2 points far apart from each other, your line's going to be pretty straight. Okay? So we're going to name this one. Yep. Okay? They're going to become the left one is. Okay? X1, Y1. And X2, Y2 will be the right hand side one. Okay? So X1, Y1 is there, which is, what point's that? 30 something? 32, 38, is that right? Okay, which is this point. So we've got 32, 38. And then X2, Y2 is going to be, okay, at this point here, which is near 90 and 90, which is this one here, is that right? Yeah. Okay, this one here. So 90, 87. Next up, use these points to determine the equation for the line of best fit. Okay? So remember that the formula for a line is y equals, in the calculator's case it's ax plus b, in grade 9 we're going to this mx plus c. Okay, so ax plus b. 2 numbers we need to actually work out are a and b. Okay, a was Okay, if I do A is y2 take y1 over x2 take x1, okay, which is y2 is 87 take y1, 38, over 90 take 32. I don't know if you remember, but you're just doing the total amount of rides over the total amount of run. Remember rides over run? Okay, so we're going to do that. 87 take 38, 49, over, what's the next one? 90 take 32, which is 58. Okay, then you just divide those two numbers, 49 and 58. Okay, so we're going to get 49 divided by 58 equals 0.844. Okay, 0.844. Now remember, if it's negative, it's a negative slope. In this case, it's positive, so it's going upwards. Okay. Next up is B. B is a bit easier to work out. Okay. B is equal to y1 take A times x1. Okay? And so what you do is you go y1 was 38, take A, which we just worked out, 844 times x1, which is 32. Okay, we do that. 38 take 0.844 times 32. And we get 10.992. We'll just check that that looks about right. Just the line set look around there. 10.992. So B is 10.992. Now, you just go on with use those numbers to make y equals ax plus b. So our equation is going to be y equals a, which was 0.844, okay, plus b, which was 10.x, so 0.844 x plus 10.992. Okay, that's the equation for that line of best fit. Once you've got the equation there, you can do a whole heap of things. You can interpolate, which is predicting within the data, and you can extrapolate, which is predicting things that are outside of the data. Okay? To check, once you've got the equation, okay, you just double check that it looks right by going to your calculator, okay, and go menu to graph, okay, and you can plug that one in. Y equals, what was it? 0.844. Now x, your x variable button is here. Okay, ignore the button, the one up here, I don't know what that is. This is your x button, okay? Plus, and what was the other one? B, sorry, 10.92. 10.92. Okay, and then you go enter, draw. That was pretty similar to what we had, wasn't it? Awesome. Now, that is the hand done method. Okay? Some of the issues with the hand done method are that you've picked 2 points that are closest to a line of best fit. Okay, not necessarily on the point. It's also only using 2 points. The other thing is that you've drawn this line of best fit based on what you feel fits. Okay, so it's a bit fuzzy. It's going to be good enough to predict some things, but there's a more accurate method, which is using the calculator. The calculator takes into account all points when it does its line. Okay? And it's really easy. Go to your calculator. Okay? I'll turn them off. You go into your stats. You go graph 1, you can draw the scatterplot. Cut x, ax plus b. Okay? Now, if you wanted to check your a and b values, it gives it here. Okay? It also gives you r. Okay? You'll have to write down what r equals. The r is the constant, the coefficient of. Was it? The correlation coefficient, sorry. And if you want to draw that line, all you have to do is hit draw. And it will draw an input. Okay? So, downsides of doing the hand-drawn method, you're drawing the line, you're picking 2 points that are closest to the line to do it. Calculator takes into account all of the points. Okay? And then you need to know both methods.